The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, Sirius Satellite Radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.